Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, in today's lecture we are going to do exercise of unit number 2, the champions. I hope you have understood the lesson well. Now we'll do its question. Question number 1 is, what is the significance of the title the champion? चैम्पियन का जो इनवान है इसकी अहमियत क्या है इस सबक में. The significance of the title the champion is that the whole story is about a boxing contest in which the winner has to represent his country in the world boxing championship in the lightweight category. इसकी अहमियत ये है, चैम्पियंस का जो टाइटल है इसकी अहमियत ये है कि सारी कहानी एक बॉक्सिंग के एक मुकाबले के बारे में है जिसमें जीतने वाला अपने वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप की लाइट वेट कैटेगरी की वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप में अपने मुल्क की नुमाइंदगी करेगा. The significance of the title the champion is that the whole story is about a boxing contest in which the winner has to represent his country in the world boxing championship in the lightweight category. Question number 2. What was the dream of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher? Ahmad Ali and Gulsher had a dream of someday becoming lightweight boxing champion of the world. In order to achieve this goal, both worked very hard. दोनों की एक ख्वाब थी कि किसी दिन वह वर्ल्ड लाइटवेट बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियंस बन जाए. इस ड्रीम को, इस मकसद को हासिल करने के लिए दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करते. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Why was the fight so important for both Ali and Gulsher? ये मुकाबला अली और गुलशर के लिए इतनी अहम क्यों थी? The answer is, the fight was so important for both Ali and Gulsher because the winner was to represent his country in the world lightweight boxing championship. ये लड़ाई दोनों के लिए इसीलिए अहम थी क्योंकि इस लड़ाई के जीतने वाला, इस नेशनल बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप जीतने वाला था वह वर्ल्ड लाइटवेट बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप में अपनी मुल्क की नुमाइंदगी करेगा. This was their dream to represent their beloved country in the world boxing championship. ये उनका ख्वाब था कि वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप में अपनी प्यारी मुल्क की नुमाइंदगी करें. And this dream could be achieved only after winning the fight. और ये ख्वाब सिर्फ और सिर्फ उस वक्त पूरी हो सकती थी कि वो उन दोनों में से कोई एक ही नेशनल बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप जीते. The answer is, the fight was so important for both Ali and Gulsher because the winner was to represent his country in the world lightweight boxing championship. It was their dream to represent their beloved country in the world boxing championship, and this dream could be achieved only after winning the fight. इस फाइट को जीतने के बाद ही वो इस मुकाबले के लिए क्वालिफाई कर सकते थे, वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप में हिस्सा ले सकते थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हाउ डिड द टू फ्रेंड्स फाइट? डिस्क्राइब इन योर ओन वर्ड्स इन 5 sentences. दोनों दोस्त कैसे लड़े? 5 sentences में उसको बयान कीजिए. The answer is, the two friends fought with courage and bravery, showing their strength and skills. दोनों दोस्त हौसला और बहादुरी के साथ लड़े, अपनी ताकत और महारत का मुजाहरा करते हुए. The two friends fought with courage and bravery, showing their strength and skills. It was a hard and fierce fight. ये एक बहुत सख्त और शदीद लड़ाई थी. Fierce means intense. They rushed at each other like bulls and threw punches at each other from every direction. वह बैलों की तरह एक दूसरे पर झपटे. हमला और हुई और हर तरफ से एक दूसरे पर मुक्के और गोंसे बरसाए. In the first two rounds, they fought equally well. But at the end of the final round, they fought so intensely and wildly, 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 that the referee and the two trainers had to pull them apart. दोनों दोस्त बहादुरी और हौसले के साथ लड़े, अपने ताकत और महारत का मुजाहरा करते हुए. It was a hard and fierce fight. ये एक बहुत सख्त और शदीद लड़ाई थी. They rushed at each other like bulls and threw punches at each other from every direction. In first two rounds they fought equally well. पहले दो राउंड में तो बिल्कुल बराबर खेले. But at the end of the final round they fought so intensely and wildly. लेकिन आखिरी राउंड में दोनों इतनी शिद्दत और सख्ती के साथ लड़े that the referee and the two trainers had to pull them apart. कि रेफरी और दो ट्रेनर्स को उनको ज़बरदस्ती एक दूसरे से अलग करना पड़ा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. कंपेयर एंड कंट्रास्ट द कैरेक्टर ऑफ अली एंड गुलशेर. दोनों के एक जैसे और एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ जो कैरेक्टर्स खसूसियात हैं वो बयान कीजिए. सिमिलरिटीज़ एंड डिफरेंसेस. द आंसर इज़ Ali and Gulsher were fast friends. Ali was dark, short and husky, as we have read in the lesson, whereas Gulsher was fair, lean and lanky. Gulsher hair was always falling over his eyes, while Ali wore his black hair in a natural afro style. Both Ali and Gulsher were good boxers. Ali was a better slugger, while Gul was a good boxer. Each had a keen desire to become lightweight boxing champions. The answer is Ali and Gulsher were fast friends. Ali was dark, short and husky, whereas Gulsher was fair, lean and lanky. Gulsher's hair was always falling over his eyes, while Ali wore black hair in a natural afro style. Ali was a better slugger, while Gul was a good boxer. Each had a keen desire to become lightweight boxing champions. Question number 6. Is there any conflict in the story? If yes, describe it in detail. A conflict in a story is a struggle between two opposing forces. Conflict ये दो opposing forces, दो मुख्तलिफ, जिस तरह की अच्छाई बुराई या कोई इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल मुख्तलिफ किस्म की वो conflicts होते हैं. तो कन्फ्लिक्ट, इस स्टोरी में कोई कन्फ्लिक्ट है? अगर है तो उसको अपने अल्फाज तफसीर के साथ बयान कीजिए. येस, द आंसर इज़ येस, देयर इज़ अ कन्फ्लिक्ट इन द स्टोरी. द कन्फ्लिक्ट इज़ बिटवीन द टू बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. इट अकर्स when they have to compete each other in a boxing match to become lightweight boxing champions. The fight creates distance between them. The conflict gets stronger as the day of the fight comes closer. The answer is yes, there is a conflict in the story. हाँ, इस कहानी में एक conflict है. The conflict is between the two best friends. दोनों best friends के दरमियान है. It occurs, ये उस वक्त शुरू होता है ये conflict when they have to compete each other in a boxing match to become lightweight boxing champions. Conflict उस वक्त शुरू हो जाता है जब दोनों दोस्तों के दरमियान लाइट वेट बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियंस बनने के लिए बॉक्सिंग मैच में एक दूसरे के साथ मुकाबला करना पड़ता है. तो उस वक्त इस स्टोरी में कन्फ्लिक्ट शुरू हो जाता है. फाइट क्रिएट्स डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम, और इस फाइट के दरमियान दोनों के दरमियान दूरियां शुरू हो जाती हैं, एक फासला वो क्रिएट हो जाता है. द कन्फ्लिक्ट गेट्स स्ट्रॉन्गर इज द डे ऑफ द फाइट कम क्लोजर. जैसे ही मुकाबले का दिन नज़दीक आता है तो ये कन्फ्लिक्ट वो बढ़ता जाता है. बट at the end, after the fight, the conflict is resolved when the two friends come out of the ring. लेकिन ये conflict एंड में उस वक्त हल हो जाता है, ख़त्म हो जाता है जब दोनों दोस्त रिंग से एज बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, बेहतरीन दोस्तों की तरह बाहर निकल आते हैं. Question number 7. What was the effect of the fight on the relationship of the two friends? इस लड़ाई का दोनों दोस्तों के ताल्लुक़ पर क्या असर था? The answer is before the announcement of the fight, Ali and Gulsher were fast friends. When the date for the fight was announced, rivalry started between them. Rivalry means competition for the same objectives. एक किस्म की मकसद के लिए लड़ना, एक किस्म की या एक मुकाबले के लिए या एक ही मकसद के लिए लड़ना. When the date for the fight was announced, rivalry started between them. Each had a keen desire to win the fight. For this purpose, they fought like animals. But toward the end of the fight, they realized the fight was hurting their friendship, so they embraced each other and left the fight undecided. दोनों गुलशेर और अली fast friends थे. Before the announcement of the fight, both were fast friends. When the date for the fight was announced, लेकिन जब लड़ाई के लिए डेट का ऐलान किया गया, मुकाबले के लिए डेट का ऐलान किया गया, तो दोनों के दरमियान राइवलरी शुरू हो गई, सख्त मुकाबला शुरू हुआ जीतने के लिए. Each had a keen desire to win the fight. दोनों का वो होता है ना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ख्वाहिश थी इस मुकाबले को जीतने की. For this purpose they fought like animals. वो जानवरों की तरह, इस मकसद के लिए जानवरों की तरह वो लड़े एक दूसरे के साथ. But toward the end of the fight they realized, लेकिन फाइट के आखिर में उनको महसूस हुआ that the fight was hurting their friendship, कि ये फ़ाइट उनकी फ्रेंडशिप में दरार डाली, उसको नुकसान पहुंचा रहा था. सो दे एम्ब्रेस ईच अदर, इसीलिए उन्होंने एक दूसरे को गले लगाया. एंड लेफ्ट द फाइट अनडिसाइडेड, और ये मुकाबला बगैर किसी नतीजे की छोड़ दिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. कीपिंग इन व्यू द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ द टू फ्रेंड्स, इज़ इट ईजियर और हार्डर फॉर देम टू फाइट ईच अदर? सपोर्ट योर आंसर बाय गिविंग रेफरेंसेस फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. क्या दोनों दोस्तों के दरमियान ये मुकाबला लड़ना एक दूसरे के साथ आसान था या मुश्किल था? तो इसकी सपोर्ट में टेक्स्ट से रेफरेंसेस देकर, हवाले देकर इसको एक्सप्लेन कीजिए. द आंसर इज़ एज बोथ द बॉक्सर और फास्ट फ्रेंड्स, दोनों गहरे दोस्त हैं. इट इज़ हार्डर फॉर देम टू फेस ईच अदर, दोनों को एक दूसरे के सामना करना बहुत मुश्किल है दोनों के लिए. Before the fight, both are restless. दोनों बेचैन हैं. Ali says, these are the references from the text. Ali says, I don't know how to come out of it. Gul says, I have been thinking about it too. Then Ali says, I have been awakened at night, pulling punches on you. Pull punches to hit someone, but don't try to hurt it. ये ऐसे पंचेस होते हैं जो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता होते हैं, जिससे वो किसी को हर्ट नहीं करना चाहती. ये बॉक्सिंग में एक किस्म का वो पंचेस होती हैं. Pulling punches on you, try not to hurt you. Ali is restless and has fitful. Ali is restless and have a fitful sleep. These references from text shows that it is not easier for them to face each other. दोनों दोस्तों के लिए एक दूसरे का सामना करना बहुत मुश्किल था, बिकॉज बोथ वर फास्ट फ्रेंड्स. Ali says, Gulsher says that it is very hard for him how to come out of it, कि वो इस बेचैनी और इस मसले से कैसे निकले. उसने कहा कि वो भी इसके बारे में ऐसा ही सोच रहा था. दोनों बिल्कुल बेचैन थे और दोनों की वो जो है ना रात को सही तरीक़ा से सो नहीं सकते थे और सोते में भी वो एक दूसरे के मुकाबले के बारे में सोचते थे. तो इन रेफरेंसेस से पता चलता है, टेक्स्ट के इन रेफरेंसेस से पता चलता है कि दोनों के दरमियान दोनों को एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ना दोनों के लिए आसान नहीं था. Question number 9. Are you satisfied with the ending? Support your response with cogent arguments. Cogent means clear, convincing and logical. Cogent arguments, इसके बारे में मापूल दलाइल दीजिए. The answer is yes. We are satisfied with the ending. Ali and Gulsher were fast and deep friends. A stage comes when the best friends have to choose between their friendship and the competition. They agree that they will fight for the championship, but the fight will not get in the way of their friendship. When they enter the ring, they fight so wildly that their friendship is at stake or at risk. कि उनकी दोस्ती वो इतनी सख्ती और शिद्दत के साथ एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ते हैं कि उनकी दोस्ती ख़तरे में पड़ जाती है, दाव पर लग जाती है. बट एट द एंड दे सेक्रीफाइस देयर गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर देयर ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप. दे एम्ब्रेस ईच अदर एंड लीव द रिंग. हाँ, हम इसकी वो कहते हैं ना कि हम इसकी एंडिंग से सेटिस्फाइड हैं, मुतमईन हैं. दोनों बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे, लेकिन एक स्टेज ऐसा आता है कि दोनों को उस मुकाबले और फ्रेंडशिप में दोनों से में से किसी एक का इंतखाब करना था. या तो मुकाबला जीतना था या अपनी दोस्ती को बचाना था. लेकिन वो दे एग्री दैट दे विल फाइट फॉर द चैम्पियनशिप. लेकिन वो इस बात पर मुत्तफिक हो जाती है कि वो इस चैम्पियनशिप के लिए लड़ेंगे, बट द फाइट विल नॉट गेट इन द वे ऑफ देयर फ्रेंडशिप. लेकिन ये लड़ाई उनकी दोस्ती के रास्ते में हायल नहीं होगी. जब वो रिंग में दाखिल हो जाते हैं, वो इतनी सख्ती और शिद्दत के साथ लड़ते हैं कि उनकी दोस्ती दाव पर लग जाती है. लेकिन एंड में वह अपने इस गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी को अपनी दोस्ती पर कुर्बान कर देता है. वो एक दूसरे के साथ गले मिलते हैं और चले जाते हैं. Now we will do part B of the exercise. Choose the correct option for the following statements. I will mark the correct option only. Choose the correct option for the following statements. Statement number 1 is Gul's lean form and long reach made him better boxer. This statement means that Gul was a better boxer because he was. The correct option is B. He was tall, skinny with long arms. Skinny means thin and slim. The correct option is B. He was tall, skinny with long arms. Statement number 2. Ali was dark, short and husky. In this sentence, the phrase short and husky means. The correct option is C. Small and well built. The correct option is small and well built. Statement number 3. They both sensed that a wall was rising between them. This statement means the correct answer is. This statement means that the communication gap was increasing between them. The correct option is B. Communication gap was increasing between them. Statement number 4 is they could not win the contest because. The correct answer is D. The correct option is D. Friendship was greater than winning fight. They could not win the contest because friendship was greater than winning fight. The correct option is D. Statement number 5. Ali had restless and fitful sleep on the night before the fight. Ali had restless and fitful sleep on the night before the fight because the correct option is D. He was disturbed about the effect of the forthcoming fight on their friendship. The correct option is D. Because he was disturbed about the effect of the forthcoming fight on their friendship. And vocabulary, these are some of the special words or expressions used by the professional boxer. We have already explained these words in the text. Now come to page number 18 in your books. Grammar. In grammar we'll do articles. Articles a, n, the. ये तीनों आर्टिकल्स हैं, इसको अप्रोप्रिएटली हमने यहाँ पर पुट कर देना है. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग appropriate articles. Number 1. My mother dash doctor and my father is dash author. The correct option is B. My mother is a doctor and my father is an author. Number 2. Amjad recommended dash good dentist but dash dentist. The correct option is C. Amjad recommended a good dentist but the dentist doesn't have any opening for 2 months. 3. Do you have dash broom? I dropped dash piece of cake and I need to clean it off. The correct option is A. Do you have a broom? Broom, jharu. I dropped a piece of cake and I need to clean it off. Number 4. Do you have a dictionary? I don't have one and I need to look up a word. The correct option is D. Do you have a dictionary? I don't have one and I need to look up a word. Number 5. Do you have dash passport? You need dash passport to travel outside of dash country. The correct option is A. Do you have a passport? You need a passport to travel outside of the country. The next question is complete the following exercise with A and R. The articles. Put cross where no article is needed. Boxing was originated dash ancient Greece. यहाँ पर हम आर्टिकल नहीं लगाएंगे, इसमें आप क्रॉस लगाएंगे. एंशिएंट ग्रीस प्रॉपर नाउन है, प्रॉपर नाउन के साथ हम किसी किस्म का आर्टिकल नहीं लगाते. एंड हैज़ बीन अ पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट्स एवर सिंस, इसमें आपने ए लगा देना है. स्पेशली फॉर मेन, मेन प्लूरल है तो इसके साथ हम आर्टिकल नहीं लगाते. लेटली हाउएवर it has been a major health fitness trend for women. women भी plural है तो इसके साथ हम article नहीं लगाते. boxing was included during the first Olympic, यहाँ पर हम द लगाएंगे. and dash ancient Greece, ये proper noun है तो as I told you that we do not put any articles with proper noun. In dash ancient Greece boxing was not a dash sports, इस यहाँ पर हम ए लगाएंगे. They never use gloves. Professional boxing is an excellent career. ए एन लगाएंगे यहाँ पर, an excellent. वावेल साउंड से जो शुरू होता है तो उसके साथ हम एन लगाते हैं. A dash boxer aim is a boxer's aim is to land as many punches on the opponent as possible. दा लगाएंगे यहाँ पर. For most of the 20th century boxing attracted huge fan and media attention. तो 20th से पहले हम दा लगाएंगे. The next question is choose the correct pronoun to correctly finish this sentence. My name is Sania. Dash love my family. इसमें correct option है I. B. My name is Sonia. I love my family. Number 2. I met Sonia yesterday. Dash made me laugh. I met Sonia yesterday. यहाँ पर सोनिया की बात हो रही है तो उसके लिए हम प्रोनाउन she यूज़ करते हैं. She made me laugh. 3 number. At the left you can see Saad. Dash is my brother. साद की बात हो रही है तो साद के लिए हम प्रोनाउन ही यूज़ करते हैं तो यहाँ पर हम ही यूज़ करेंगे. ही इज़ माई ब्रदर. बर्ड्स फ्लैप डैश विंग्स. यहाँ पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी है. बर्ड्स के लिए है तो बर्ड्स मोर देन वन. प्लूरल है तो प्लूरल के हम देयर प्रोनाउंस करते हैं पॉजिटिव केस में. बर्ड्स फ्लैप देयर विंग्स. नंबर 5. My grandparents live in Karachi. Dash visit us. My grandparents की बात हो रही है. My grandparents live in Karachi. Dash visit us. तो the correct option is they. Grandparents दो है तो इसके लिए ऑप्शन बी यूज़ करेंगे. They visit us. 6. Lubna, Layla and Tahira were cross because Dash had waited ages for the bus. The correct option is they because they are more than one person. The correct option is C, they. 7. Falwasha watched the children carefully as Dash crossed the roads. The correct option is C, they, as they crossed the road. 8. Hold the bag please while I put the shopping in. B. The correct option is B, it and it. The next question is, choose one of the following relative pronouns who, which or whose to complete each sentence. Who, which and whose are relative pronouns. Relative pronouns refers or relate to some nouns going before, which is called its antecedent. I talk to the girl. Who हम यूज़ करते हैं persons के लिए. Which is used for animals and non-living things. Whose is used for persons, animals and non-living things. I talk to the girl. Dash car had broken down in front of the sleep. ये possessive case, ये who की, whose is the possessive case of who. I talked to the girl whose car had broken down in front of the shop. तो इसमें who लगाते हैं हम. Number 2. Mr. Razak Dash is a taxi driver live on the corner. तो person के लिए हम who यूज़ करते हैं. Mr. Razak who is a taxi driver lives on the corner. Number 3. I live in a house in Naran. I live in a house in Naran. Naran एक जगह के लिए हम which यूज़ करते हैं. I live in a house in Naran which is a house in Naran which is in northern Pakistan. Which यहाँ पर हम which यूज़ करते हैं. 4. This is the girl. Girl again it is a person, we use who for it. This is the person who comes from Swat. Number 5. That is Naeem. That is Naeem, the boy who has just arrived at the airport. यहाँ पर हम who लगाएंगे. Those dash haven't paid their fee should do so at once. Those who haven't paid their fee should do so at once. 7. This is a detective novel. Dash you might like. Detective novel. A detective novel is a novel in which the story revolves around an investigation and the resolving of a crime. This is a detective novel which you might like. इसमें हम which लगाएंगे. Number 8. Here are the keys dash you were searching for. Keys के लिए हम which यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पर. तो here are the keys which you were searching for. The next question is, underline the indefinite pronoun in the following sentences. everybody. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronoun refers to persons or thing in a general way but do not refer to any person or thing in a particular way. ये general में बयान करता है, किसी खास शख्स की तरफ या किसी खास चीज़ की तरफ इशारा नहीं करता. It refers to person or thing in a general way. Everybody enjoys a good movie. Here you need to underline the word everybody. Everybody is an indefinite pronoun. Does anybody have the time? Anybody. Underline the word anybody. Nobody knows the trouble I have seen. Nobody. The secret was known by few. Few. Few को underline कर ले आप. No, the secret was known by many. Many को underline कर ली. Calculus is too hard for some. Some is an indefinite pronoun. Surely, surely you recognize somebody. Somebody is an indefinite pronoun. He is not a liar. I am sure everything he said was true. Everything is an indefinite pronoun. So here everybody, anybody, nobody, few, many, some, somebody, everything are indefinite pronouns. Next question. Identifying pronoun and their antecedent. In each sentence, underline once the personal pronoun and underline twice its antecedent. So antecedent is a word or phrase that a pronoun refers back to. जिस noun के लिए वो pronoun यूज़ किया जाता है तो वो noun उसकी तरफ इशारा करता है, उसके तरफ रेफर करता है. तो इसमें हमने antecedent और pronoun को underline करना है. antecedent को हमने डबल अंडरलाइन करना है और उसकी जो pronoun है उसको सिंगल. As a child, Asma often played with her doll house. Here, Asma is antecedent of the pronoun her. Underline her with single underline and Asma with double lines. Neither Danish nor Wasim will have trouble finding information for their report. Their का antecedent जो है वो दानिश और वसीम है, दोनों को अंडरलाइन कर लें. Each of the boys refused help, saying that they would read the report on their own. They is a pronoun and its antecedent is each of the boys. Underline both the word. Nobody likes to discover that they have just read a dull report about an interesting subject. Nobody is antecedent of the pronoun they. Tanya needs a result card of her grades. Her is a pronoun and its antecedent is Tanya. Asif said that they made their own clothes. There is a pronoun and its antecedent is they. One of the girls left her sweater in the bus. Her is a pronoun and its antecedent is one of the girls. It refers back to one of the girls. Several other classmates also choose their topics. There is a pronoun and its antecedent is several other classmates. It means that there refers back to several other classmates. The next question is underline the pronoun and circle its antecedent and parentheses and sentences below. तो जो parentheses में दी गई है तो उसको आपने encircle करना है. Some has removed the grammar books and I want him or them to return it. The correct option is him. Someone has removed the grammar book and I want him to return it. तो him pronoun है और इसका antecedent some. Antecedent को आपने encircle करना है, circle करना है और noun के वो जो pronoun है उसको underline करना है. Although I knew somebody called me, I did not answer her or them. Although I knew somebody called me, I did not answer her. The correct option is her. Each man must do what he they feels is right. Each man must do what he feels is right. What he feels is right. Everybody in the lab was ready to complete their assignments. Everybody in the lab was ready to complete their assignments. No one wants to admit their weakness. No one wants to admit his weaknesses. This is all about exercise of unit number 2, the champion. Try to do it at home and learn it well. Allah Hafiz.